place your sofa, center table and customize your TV unit. Kitchen space where you will be getting two parallel platforms, easily fit your king size bed along with your... Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Vedant Palacia by Tharwani Infrastructure located in Kalyan West. We are standing at the sales office of the project and we will also show you the actual land parcel and we'll be getting into all details, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now let's have a look at the project overview. We have the model over here, and as you can see in the model, this project is spread across the land parcel of 2.5 acres that will have 3 towers with ground plus 36 floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. And now talking about the amenities, this project has 20 plus amenities. As you can see in the model, it will have a swimming pool, clubhouse, gym, garden, acupressure pathway, stargazing deck, kids play area, indoor games and many more amenities within the project. And now before getting into the location and connectivity, this is the actual location of the project. Behind me you can see the actual towers. Also you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. And now talking about location and connectivity, this project is located at Godrej Hill, Khadakpada, Kalyan West, from where D-Mart is only at a distance of 450 meters, McDonald's is at a distance of 1.3 kilometers and you have BK Birla College at a distance of 2.5 kilometers from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now we are standing at the 3 BHK of Vedant Palacia. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1165 square feet. As you can see, this over here is a spacious living area. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. You can place your sofa, center table and customize your TV unit in the living. Also attached to the living, you will be getting full French doors with a very spacious balcony. Also, we are standing at the actual tower of the project, so you can also see the actual view and the neighborhood. Moving forward, this over here will be a dining corner where you can easily place a 6 to 8 people dining table and enjoy meal time with your family. Right opposite to your dining corner is your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms. Your kitchen is very spacious. You can customize the lower and upper cabinets. You also have space provided to place your refrigerator. Also, you will be getting full French doors that will connect you to a dryer balcony where you can place your washing machine. This over here is your alley area that has entrance to all your bedrooms and your common washroom. First, on this side, we have your common washroom, outside which you have an extra utility space. Your washroom will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And besides, your common washroom is a common bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can place your king-size bed along with your side tables. You can customize your wardrobes. You can see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing your furniture. You can also customize your study corner or your makeup corner. Also, you will be getting full French doors with the chhaja provided attached to this common bedroom. Moving forward, opposite to your common bedroom is your first master bedroom. As we enter, you can see the space of the first master bedroom where you can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can customize your wardrobes and You can see you have walkable space even after placing your furniture. In this bedroom also you will be getting full French doors with a balcony provided. And this over here is your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the largest master bedroom of this 3 BHK. This over here is your largest master bedroom. As we enter, you can see you can easily fit your king-size bed along with your side tables. You can also see you have wardrobe space provided, that is niche wardrobe space that will give your bedroom a bigger look. You can customize your makeup corner. You can see you have walkable space even after placing your bed. You can also customize your study corner if you want, and attached to this master bedroom again you will be getting full French doors with a very spacious balcony where you can place your tea tables, tea chairs and customize and design it as per your choice. Also, in this corner we have your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Vedant Palacia. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was your 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Vedant Palacia by Tharwani Infrastructure located in Kalyan West.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.